Hi mga dear, welcome to another episode of Dating Myself Until Someone Dates Me. And today we are here at BGC for the new emote. Okay, so I'm here in BGC for a new scenery lang kasi why not? And today I'm going here sa Cooper's and let's see what's up. Can I have ube latte? Ay, Miko, M-I-K-O. That's period. Okay, so I just got my ube latte from Cooper's. It's actually so nice. Period. And now, let's roam around ng BGC kasi may parang gusto akong bilhin sa Watson ngayon. So, let's see kung nandun yung stock ngayon. I hope may stock sila. Okay, I'm entering the Watson here in BGC. I hope nandito yung gusto ko because I really want that thing. Okay, so I'm getting my favorite product from them. This is the BYS Compact Powder. And what's good about this today, it's buy one, take one na siya. So, I'm getting one for myself and also I'm getting one for my friend. Also, I'm gonna get a restock for my favorite blush from them. This is the BYS Hydrate Hero na Blush Multi-Cream. This is really nice. I'm also getting my friend one of these. I think she's gonna like this. If you're gonna shop right now, especially this Christmas season, I think you need to shop right now kasi yung buy one take one sale nila is gonna be last lang from December 8 to 14. So you better go there. Oh my god, meron din silang holiday collection. Oh my god, let me show you. Like, look at that. That's so cute, dear. What? Like, literally, this is so cute. My favorite during my Australia trip. This one, this is a get ready with me set. Meron ng brushes and then clips. Like, hello, this is perfect for gifting. I should get one of this. Period. Okay, got the goods. Let's go to, I don't know kung saan ako pupunta, but let's see. Oh my god, since I'm here sa BGC, I want to visit my old office when I was working, and I hope nandito yung mga ka-work ko before. Hello! Okay, I'm here sa dati kong office when I was working. I'm with Chelsea. Hi! Okay, so I just bought dessert lang for chicks kasi we're gonna have dinner na tonight. Like, I'm gonna end the vlog na here. Wala man tayong organic encounter today, but at least marami tayong napabili. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this.